Hey, what's going on, guys? Ben Simon here, and today I'm bringing another video. What I'm going to be doing today is, of course, my series, preseason roster series, and if you haven't watched the last video, you should probably watch it. But here is my lineup, and here's my defense. It's pretty nice. Okay, so where we left off last, I drafted this guy from the draft. Looks pretty nice. Matt Ryan's only at 84 since this was before he won MVP. So I'm gonna trade away him. I don't know who else I'm gonna trade away, but I'm gonna see. So here we go. I don't know how I just did that. So you saw the clip where I got 3 random guys from the Giants because they had no cap, because I wanted to trade away Matt Ryan. Got a 15 million cap. So just going by people, see if anybody wanted them, and the 49ers wanted them. They're interested in Cobbs, who is a rookie, and I got their first round pick next year. That's amazing! So, with my next trade, I'm going to be trading Matt Ryan, a 3rd round pick, and Williams for CJ Mosley, Justin Tucker, and a cap room guy. Bang! Okay, so here's the team. Of course, you got the rookie, Dante Poe. No, that's not it. You got Devontae Freeman, got Julio, Kendall Wright, John Brown, Patrick DeMarco, Tyler Eifert, CJ Fedorowicz, Jack Conklin, Ali Marpet, D. Castro, Laramie Tunsil, Jake Matthews. On defense, I changed it to a 3-4. You got Deion Buchanan, Deion Jones, Bobby Wagner, CJ Mosley, Quan Alexander, Keanu Neal, Ronald Darby, Vic Beasley, Leonard Williams, Grady Jarrett, Sheldon Richardson, Stephen Trufant, Guy. Yeah. Alright, so let's send him in season mark and see how we are doing. Yeah. Alright, here we go, guys. 5-2, that's good, that's good. Okay. 5-2. Let's look at the team. Offense. Julio is out. Devontae Freeman is out. 1 week. How long is he out? 7 weeks. I already knew that. 1 worry. I was about to say 1 word. Okay. I think I'm going to go free agents and get a wide receiver that's better than 69 overall. I'm still going to be talking. Talk. So, isn't he actually good? This guy. Isn't he, like, decent? I think he is decent. So I'm gonna get him, and he's gonna be our starting 3rd guy. There we go. Then that's it on what I should do. Oh, big decision. We gotta cut somebody. Okay, hold it back. Okay, here we're gonna cut. Wait, he's really that bad in this? I cut him because he's a starter in real life and he's a starter in real life also. So I'm gonna keep them around since they're, of course, good. No, I don't want to cancel that. Let's go to the playoffs because we're gonna win in the playoffs. It's gonna be like, boom. Okay, so guys, we are. What? I don't want to see if Poe got any XP, so I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, we went 8-8. How did we go 8-8? Let's look at these statistics. Okay, he got 10th, 11th, and then bad pass rating. Probably because Devontae Freeman. Look how bad Devontae Freeman was. Look how bad our whole entire team was. Okay, awards. Yearly award. He needs to get Rookie of the Year, okay? Blake Bortles. Was our guy even on here? No. How Brock Osweiler, Coach of the Year. Where am I? Oh, how am I not on here? NFC. Offensive Player of the Year. Jared Goff. Yeah, my guy's even on here. Hey, at least we got Sheldon Ring. Okay. I'm gonna save that for last. But I don't think we had anybody, and we didn't. Okay. Best QB. Hey, there he is, number 7. Is there any... Okay. Best running back. Yeah, he's not gonna be on here. Yep. Wide receiver. No. Nope. O-line. Nope. D-line. How is it Sheldon Ring? Oh, yeah, you got first. I didn't even see that. Linebacker. 9. DB. Nobody. Kicker. How did he not do good? What's his name? Justin Tucker. Okay. Duh. Yeah! I didn't mean to do that, but I did that and it was good. Let's see how much XP. 50 million XP. 50 million XP. Still good. Still good. We still did good. No, John Brown. Okay. That was good. That's good. Okay, let's look at how we did in regular season. Team schedule. Okay. Undefeated. And loss, win, loss. Win, loss, win, loss, loss. Oh yeah, hey, by the way, if you guys want to see me, No, never mind. I was about to say, hey, if you guys want to see me in real life, I'm going to this game, but I forgot to just do random schedules in the future. So I'm gonna do some XPing, show you guys the team, then we're gonna go draft some people. So here's what the team is looking like. Got John Brown, who's injured for another 3 weeks, and then defense, both of them are out, which is sad. But let's re-sign some players. I saw that Desmond Trufant had to be injured. Yeah, he had to be injured because he was that good. No, but he had to be re-signed. So we're gonna re-sign him because he's valuable. And I like Desmond. That voice crack. But I like Desmond Trufant. I have a Desmond Trufant jersey. Wait, while this is loading, I'm gonna show you. It's kind of torn up, or kind of ripped up, because I wear my jerseys all the time and I wash them. But look at that, Desmond Trufant. Look, it's kind of like torn up. But anyways, let me just throw that. Hit that. But anyways, let's see. Desmond Trufant, Sheldon Richardson, Deion Buchanan, John. All these people better have $1 million cap. Yes, we have $1 million cap. Okay, here we go. Desmond Trufant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We really want you back. And you want to be back. Sheldon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deion Buchanan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is he slow? Why are you slow? John Brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, because you're kind of oldish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, come on! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there we go. Big Matthews, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. CJ, whatever, I don't care about you. I need a franchise tag somebody. You should be John CJ. Not John. Okay, so franchise tag. But anyways, I gotta re-sign all those people and maybe get somebody else. Let's see, Drew Sneeze. No, let's see, John Brown. 1, 2, 1, 2. Am I really getting for less? I'm about to get him for less. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I about to get him for less? No, I'm not. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. There we go, fine. I'll leave. He's old. Who else should I get? I should get him, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Anybody else I should get? Do I even have enough? Okay. Anybody else I should get? 25 years old? You can be about it. Oh, there we go. Gooch. Okay, so let's make sure we got everybody that we wanted. Because if we didn't, that'll be sad. Okay, accept it. Alright. Now we're gonna scout. Then we're gonna go to the draft. So see you guys there. Okay, so here we go. We got the middle pick. Skip ahead of the draft. Next user pick. We're smack dab in the middle. I know that's cringy, but I literally just scouted every single person on the defense, hoping that, yeah. And he was supposed to be the first overall pick, but I guess he dropped down all the way here. So I'm guessing he's a bust. Scouted. So I'm not going to go for that. So the only other guy is him. But you could say, oh, Ben, you could just trade away for somebody next year, so you're good. Oops.
All around me are familiar faces.
Try to be cool. Be like, oh my gosh, I could do that. But nope, I'm a savage, dude. Whoop. But he's a slow development. The other guy would probably been slow also. So I'm sad, but you might be saying, hey Ben, why are you going to this? Or the 4th round? There's nobody good in that. Well, actually, there's that guy, and he is a normal. I thought he was going to be better, but it's not.